Hi, welcome to my channel. It's Heyo Gabs here, and today this is an updated everyday makeup routine, and this is the results. This is my mostly full glam. Like I come out with everything: the foundation, the concealer, the powder, the contour, the blush. This is like full glam, my everyday full glam. But there's also like my clean girl aesthetic look. And don't worry, I'm gonna be putting out a video on that soon. Not later, soon. So like, subscribe, comment if you like anything, comment if you have any questions, or if you even have advice. Enjoy the video.
Fucking pole, nigga. Act like you wanna do something. She right on the dick like a pole, nigga. You done that bitch like a cucumber. These hoes ain't getting my new number. And the fact you at least keep pushing it with my Dior runners. Sketch. I'm a 300 ball. I want a new 100 ball. I want a big double off. No, I don't pop handlebars. No, I don't recycle bars. I got a lot in my catalog. I'm tryna put a new car. My motherfucking garage. Shout out the sauce. Bitch, that be my twin. Call up the jet and come smush his ass on him, then he spin it again. Oh, I did it again. Bitch, I'm for the win. Yeah, we covered in sins. Double CC the lens. Diamonds you 6 to the 10. Even at 5%. Yeah, the bitch I'm going in. Count it up on these niggas in again. Never again. My nigga don't call me your twin. Just cause we fuck the same bitch. Our money not the same length. They tryna knock me off. At least that's what I heard. Don't get your face took off. Pussy, I'll drop like a bird. Tell me how much for the sire. Tell me how much for the